Come test drive the 2018 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, adaptive cruise control, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer, overhead console. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.